If you've been trying to lose belly fat and nothing is changing, let me talk to you for a minute, because this will save you months of frustration. Almost everywhere you go, like the gym, YouTube, TikTok, you'll see people doing hundreds of sit-ups, crunches, leg raises, planks and all that, all hoping it will melt the fat on their stomach. And I get it. If your belly is the place bothering you the most, of course you'd want to work on it directly. But here's the part nobody explains clearly. Your body does not burn fat from the exact spot you're training. Not your belly, not your arms, not your thighs. You can train a muscle, but you cannot pick where the fat comes off first. Think about it like this. If you do bicep curls, your arm muscle gets stronger, but the fat around your arm doesn't magically disappear. If you do endless ab workouts, your core gets stronger, but the belly fat sitting on top of it doesn't care. Fat loss doesn't work by location, it works by system. Your whole body loses fat together, not one body part at a time. Now this is the part people hate hearing, but you need to know it. Where your body stores fat first, and where it loses fat last, is mostly genetics. Some people gain fat in their face, some store it in their hips. Some, like most of us, hold it right in the belly. So if you feel like, I'm losing weight everywhere except my stomach, you're not crazy, you're normal. But here's the good news, the important part. Belly fat does go away, just not through ab exercises alone. It goes away through your whole routine working together. Eating in a small calorie deficit, getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep, choosing real foods more often, walking more than you think, strength training your entire body, not just abs, staying consistent long enough to see changes. And when these habits stack up, something interesting happens. You don't just lose fat, your body becomes better at burning fat. That's why the first few weeks feel slow, but month 2 suddenly feels easier. So if you're frustrated, hear this. You're not failing. Your body is just following its natural order. Belly fat is stubborn. It's usually the last to go, but it goes. Stay patient with your routine. Stay consistent even on the days you feel stuck. Your body is changing, even if you can't see it yet. Give it time, and your results will show. Don't forget to like this video so it can reach others who needs to see it, and don't forget to subscribe. You know, just to support the small channel, and thank you for watching.